ArtistRebeccaLS, the channel that inspires you every day. Subscribe or I'll throw paint at you. To help my channel out, like the video, comment and watch a playlist or two. I'm so excited. This is what's come in the post today. A gift from subscriber CW/Christine. Thank you ever so much. I'm so excited. This cute little tin was in the package and I wasn't sure what was going to be inside. And when I opened up the lid, wow, mini watercolors. And I note, and you'll see in a future video, that each watercolor is from a different watercolor company. From my memory, there seems to be M. Graham, Schmink, Winsor Newton, and Senilia. Oh, and I forgot, Daniel Smith. How could I ever forget that? I'm desperate to try Daniel Smith watercolors. You're seeing Christine's kind little note to me and her lovely drawing on the front of a hare/rabbit. And I'm holding now the blender pencil that she kindly included, the Prismacolor colourless blender, so that I can have fun using that with the Prismacolor pencils. Thank you ever so much, Christine, for your really kind gift. I love them and they're going to get a lot of use. Click the 2 videos on screen now, and when you do, you're going to get even more inspiration.